Welcome everybody to a quick little video from the bench. I've been working on something. I had this on the comp course. Well, not this per se, kind of. I had something based on these parts on the comp course last week, and it did horribly because it wasn't built for a comp course. It was built for just tuning out outside. So I've rebuilt it, hopefully correctly. I took this thing off because that's a lot of weight. And I swapped in this little thing. It's a 1224, 4000 kV, so pretty high kV, but I mean, so is this thing. This is 1400, but it's a huge one. So yeah, anyways, I've soldered up a tiny little ESC, an AM32 ESC. I haven't programmed it yet, but and soldered on a little BEC that runs 8.4 volts for my servo. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And let's see. No on-off button, just plug it in and then it's on. So 8.4 volts, 3 amps only, but still, it's plenty for one servo. And then watch that motor spin. Gotta love an outrunner, huh? I've replaced the gears and gearbox because they weren't great. They were busted. This thing has a slipper on it. I have no idea how that's going to work. Just an interesting little experiment. It's extremely slow. It's a 4000 kV. It's not even programmed yet, the ESC. But you could barely see the wheels move on this thing. And increasing the speed to, whoa, a line. That's going to be pretty quick. I think I'm going to have to lower the top speed. That's just not too noisy either. So once I get this programmed up, it should be really great. All in, I think this is less than 20 bucks. ESC with the BEC is, I'm going to say, about 12 bucks. So full brushless setup, bolts right on to the standard scx24 gearbox, and 20, maybe 30 bucks all in with tax. 35 with tax maybe. It's gonna be great. Way better than this thing. I mean, this thing is super smooth, but really high, and it sits all the way up there, well, here, and it's really heavy. So I've shaved a lot of weight and I've moved a lot of weight down. So also new shocks. So this thing will be tested out on the comp course on Wednesday if all goes well. And hopefully it'll do far better than it did last time. So yeah, just a quick little update. This thing looks really promising. ESC, I'm going to program it. I know from experience because I run several of these. These cheap AM32s, really nice. So yep, thanks for watching. That's just a quickie. And I'll be back hopefully on Wednesday with some comp course stuff. Peace.